Hello, you are watching MyTrendyPhone repairs. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to replace the broken screen of your LG V30. You can attempt a DIY repair, but we strongly advise you to take your phone to the repair shop. For this repair, we used only basic tools like Phillips head screwdriver, tweezers, and some opening tools. Start off the repair by turning the device off and removing the SIM tray. Use the heat gun to loosen the glue in order to remove the back cover of your phone. Slide a metal opening tool in between the glass cover and the metal frame. Then use the plastic picks to cut through the glue, sliding them around the frame in opposite directions. When you have successfully removed the back glass, start disassembling the broken LCD. First to go are the NFC and the bottom loudspeaker assembly, so remove all the screws and pry those up with a spudger. Plug all the connectors, battery first, and then all the rest. And then you can remove the motherboard. You should scrape off the thermal paste residue and smear it on the motherboard, like shown in the video. Now you can transfer all the parts to the new LCD assembly, including the battery. Put in the motherboard and the battery. Then connect all the flex blocks. Then put the NFC and the loudspeaker into the new LCD assembly. This was yet another successful repair. You can find parts, tools and repairs at MyTrendyPhone website. Thanks for watching.